How to log in to your DoorDash account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily log in to your DoorDash account. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and simply click on the search bar and simply search for DoorDash. Now here in the search result, simply click on the first link and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of the DoorDash. Now here in the top right side you can see the pop-up. So here you simply need to enter your email and here once you're done entering your email simply hit on continue with email. And after that on the next page you need to enter your password and here if you want the DoorDash to remember you just check the box that says remember my user ID. And after that you can just click on login and after that you will be logged in to your DoorDash account. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.